Hello everyone. Now this is going to serve as an intro to using and getting around of MyMathLab. It's the program we'll be using for most of the semester, doing assignments, viewing your grades, things like that. So once you've signed in successfully, you'll come to a page similar to this one, My Courses. If you've used MyMathLab before, if you use it later on, you'll be able to view your different courses that you've signed up for. I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of these. You'll click on your current course. We'll just let it load up. But your home screen will look similar to this one here. You'll be mostly working with the tabs here to the left. I'm just going to do this for now. Your home screen will look similar to this, where you'll have your announcements up at the top, different things that might be planned throughout the month. Since this is an old class of mine, I'm just going to go back a few weeks. So here we've got a due date, an announcement. You can click around as much as you want. I recommend you explore these tabs a bit. Again, your tabs might be a bit different from mine, but essentially what you'll be using the most will be the assignments, your grade book, your chapter context, e-text, and any of these other tips that you figure out that might be useful for you. So if we click on assignments here, you'll see any assignments that have been currently assigned. To the left, you have your due dates. On the right-hand side, a time limit, if there's any time limits apply to that particular assignment. A number of attempts that you use. Some assignments will have multiple attempts. Just depends on your instructor. And your score, if it was past due or not. Click on the tab here. Let's suppose your instructor assigns some quizzes. So now we have just our quizzes. You can see that some of these quizzes are timed, 90 minutes, and have multiple attempts. Or you can click on all assignments and it'll have everything from quizzes, tests, and homework assignments. Clicking on Gradebook. Now this circle here will have your overall score, your overall percentage, and taking into consideration everything that you've done in the class up to date. Now, hopefully your instructor is consistently updating your scores. If you click on Show Calculation, it'll break down your current scores as compared to the overall points that were possibly attained. Now, it really depends on how your instructor decides to categorize the weight of your grades. From my class here, I have homework assignments and everything like classwork for 20 points or 20% of the overall grade. Quizzes, 20% of the overall grade. Tests, 30%, and your final exam will be about 30%. So as the days go by, you would see your points accumulate here, and it'll break down what your overall grade is made up of. So might be something that you will click on pretty frequently. We've got chapter contents. Now I like chapter contents over the e-text because it can break down more of what exactly you're looking for. If you want to go ahead to your homework, quizzes and tests, your study plan. I'll talk about the study plan in just a little bit. And here you have your links to the e-text itself. So let's just go ahead and click on one of these. And it'll open up another tab with the e-text. Here we go. All right, so I clicked on the vocabulary check, so it jumped right to the Chapter 7 vocabulary check. And I guess this is right near the review. So this is exactly what you would see if you were to have a physical copy of the book. So everything is here that you need. Examples, more problems, things like that. If your instructor assigned any problems right out of the book, well, you don't need the physical copy of the book. You can use the chapters and e-text tabs to go to the problems that are from the book itself. So I'm just going to close it. Now, earlier I talked about the study plan. Study plan is very useful for, well, studying and maybe getting ahead on certain sections or reviewing certain sections. It's nice because you don't have to do it in any particular order. Let's say section 7.1 you have down, but it's section 7.2 that you want to review. So you go ahead and click on section 7.2. We'll look at the study plan for that section, and you'll have essentially an assignment that'll review the topics in that section. It will grade you, but it won't affect your your actual score or grade, in the class. There's different things that you can do, quiz yourself. Some of them have videos that you can watch that might help you with the problems or might help you with some concepts in the sections themselves. All right, if you have any questions or anything you'd like to see specifically done, go ahead and ask your instructor. And good luck. Enjoy the My Math Lab program. Hope it helps you out throughout the semester. Thank you.